BGM in this area.
Oh yeah? Me neither, I mean it's just breathing noises, so... Alrighty. We got a little stepping stool. What's this? Oh, what were they doing down here? Wait, this is supposed to be an onsen. Hold on, why does it look like this down here?
That is true. Why do we have an operating table in an onsen?
You think they were making blue people down here?
They were making human dogs.
No, 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 no!
Thank you.
Stop it. No, 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 no! I got a remote! Yay! Thank you for the blessings, though. Alright, I'll save here. I gotta... Oh my god, I've been sneezing so...
Bless you.
Thank you for the blessings again, but you don't gotta slurp them up like that, man. That's kinda...
But if I don't, then who will?
No one! The air! It doesn't work here. What? Oh, okay, maybe I use it here.